Gold and silver both have started the week almost with a modest bearish bias. However, I can say that both are trading flat as of now. So what to expect today, which position you should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into silver followed with gold. Do watch till the end. Silver on the early charts, higher lows, lower highs, zone of consolidation. Any buying I will recommend is above 2320 levels and specifically wait till towards, see, there is a resistance at 2330 and 40, in fact at 50. So till 2350 levels it has got very good resistance for the day, and hence just put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Now what it has done here is you can see symmetrical formation. Now also it is showing symmetrical formation here, but here green means here what to expect, upside or downside. So once you see the symmetry, red green, sideways, one green, then another red candle may appear, but then you have to be watchful. It can give you a break on the upside as well. And when I say upside break means you have to wait and watch for 2320 levels, beyond which little more bullishness is confirmed. Now on the downside you can see the price is deviating from the 20 and 50 period exponential moving average, which means 2290 is a very good support here. Now if you look at a stochastic, this is overbought. MACD has crossed over trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost flat here on the 4-hour charts. Now coming to the daily hourly charts, what we have seen on the 4-hour chart is about replicating here on the hourly charts as well. Consolidation, symmetrical move, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation here. Wait for a breakout above 2320 levels and then more bullishness is confirmed. At the same time, the support here is seen at 2290, below which, yes, 2280 is a greater support, and if it breaks below 2280 then it has to pass by the median here 2270, below which definitely more bears will prevail. Stochastic at bottom, MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. I'll wait for another red candle in order for the crossover. RSI very near to the top and trading flat, and similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. But right now remember, in between 23 and 2270, this is a zone of consolidation. 2320 and 2270 rather I will say, this is a zone of consolidation for silver. We have to be extremely careful in between these levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green trying to converge a bit, RSI is flat, and on the 3-hour similar is the observation. Here also stochastic is overbought, which has dropped a bit. MACD is in green, RSI almost trading flat. 4-hour charts we have already seen, and coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. See, after this sharp drop, first of all look at the sharp drop, retracement, then sharp drop, retracement. Now the top of this channel is still at around close to 2330 levels, beyond which 2350 is a greater resistance. If and only if you see silver trading above 2350 levels, then you can confirm that the bulls are back and possibly it can rise more. Now if you look at the daily charts, what it has done, lower highs, it is turning red as of now. I'll wait for 2290 levels to be breached, below which only further pull on the downside will be seen, and then you can say, see, higher lows are consistently seen, which makes this level at around 2270 very strong support. And that is why I say between 2270 and 2320, let's still be watchful and careful. It can still show you swings in between these levels. Stochastic looking upwards here, bullish. MACD is also trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is flat. So considering this, take your trades accordingly. Buying entries only at about 23. You can also buy at 2315 levels, but then 2330 is also greater resistance. Till 2350 it has got greater resistance, and hence if you are taking a buy entry, you have to put a trailing stop loss, or at least if not trailing stop loss, just put the stop loss at your entry price with a 10 points trailing stop loss. And on the downside you can sell here at 2290. However, one has to be careful till towards 2270 levels specifically, where it is going to get maximum resistance, and hence you have to sell or you have to trade with a trailing stop loss there also. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at gold. And before we proceed with gold, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch is starting today. Only a couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for gold, higher highs, higher lows, and if you connect these two, see this is almost identically symmetrical, and just with higher highs still you can find the bottom of this channel and the support levels are both together at around 1910 levels. So at least till 1910 we are not going to treat this as bearish. Below then only, below 1910 only, further bearishness is going to prevail here. Now what it is doing on the hourly chart, see flag formation here, you can see this pole, you can see this flag, it is trading in this bearish channel, it has come, see the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average, it has come till towards 20 period moving average, and now the support is seen at 20. So only below 1920 you can expect a little drop. However, 1916, 1914 are very good support, in or rather this zone between 1916 1914 is the first support, and then 1910 levels. Only below 1910 further bearishness is seen. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over for a sell, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also looking down, trying to show a little bearishness. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Just if you connect these two, you will find that this is what it is trying to trade in with a slight bullish channel. 1920 is a greater support. Stochastic is that dropped, the MACD is in green and willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking down, and on the 3-hour charts, similar observation here also. See the prices are divergent here from the moving averages. Now it is converged. This is also pole. This is a flag formation, support till towards 1920. Same observations. Stochastic is dropped here. The MACD is in green and willing to converge crossover for sell. RSI is looking downwards. And on the 4-hour, now interesting observation on the 4-hour charts here is, see these two candles, symmetrical candles, one red, one green. The previous candle coming with a little tail, and that is why we can see a little bearish movement. But still till 1920, very good support, and then 1914-16 levels will come into picture. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI almost flat. And on the daily charts, now on the daily chart, see it has consolidated here, then this breakout, now it is consolidating here. Whichever direction it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. And on the downside, as I said, first 1910 then 1900 are two levels below which only it is to be confirmed that below 1900 it is going to give sharper drop there. And if you look at the upside, see it is, the prices were divergent from the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now the price has converged still towards the moving average and trying to take a direction. However, I will still not term that as bearish till the time 1910 1900 are respected. Now on the upside, you can take a buy entry at 1930 levels today, but then expect 1935 very good resistance. Why good resistance? You can see this couple of candles getting reversed from the same levels last week also. Beyond 1935 you can still expect this zone giving it a maximum resistance. 1940 anyways is the previous support, is now going to act as a resistance here, and hence we have to trade cautiously in between 1940 and 50 levels, where it is going to get the maximum support. You can see the 50 and 100 period moving average coming together here, and the Bollinger Bands, the top limit of the Bollinger Bands is also at 1950, which makes 1940-50 as the next resistance zone. Hence, if you are taking a buy and trade 1930, be very cautious alert. Put a $5 trailing stop loss. 1935, 40, 45, 50 are four major resistances. Beyond that, further bullishness will be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.